In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload any voice to Elevenlabs. To get started, head over to your Elevenlabs dashboard. Once you are on the main screen, look to the left-hand side menu and click on Voices. This is where all of your saved and generated voices are managed. After that, click Create Voice to begin the setup process. At this point, Elevenlabs will ask you which type of voice cloning you want to use. You'll typically see two options: instant voice cloning and professional voice cloning. The option you choose depends on the quality you want and how much audio you have available. Instant voice cloning is the faster option and works well if you want results quickly. For this method, you should upload high-quality audio with only one person speaking. Your recording should be at least 1 minute long, although providing more samples can often improve the final result. This option is especially useful for quick projects or testing. Professional voice cloning is designed for higher fidelity and more accurate voice reproduction. It requires a lot more speech data, usually anywhere from 30 minutes to 3 hours. Processing may take longer, but the benefit is that it captures much more of the speaker's exact tone, emotion, and vocal nuance. Keep in mind that this option requires a paid plan. Once you've selected the cloning method you want, it's time to prepare and upload your audio. Make sure your files are clean and easy to understand. Elevenlabs requires at least 10 seconds of audio. But in general, better and longer samples will give better results. Try to avoid background noise, music, echo, or overlapping voices, since these can reduce cloning quality. If possible, use recordings where only one speaker is present the entire time. You can usually upload multiple files, which can be helpful if you have several clean recordings ready to go. Also, make sure your files are in a supported format, such as MP3 or WAV, so the platform can process them correctly. After your audio has uploaded, look for the option labeled Remove Background Noise from Audio Recordings and check that box. This can help clean up your samples and improve the output, especially if the recording environment wasn't perfect. Then click Next to continue. On the next screen, add a name and a description for the voice. This helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple voices later. After that, check the confirmation box. Then click Save Voice. Just remember that saving the voice requires a paid plan, that's all to it. Thanks for watching.